I've never felt like this before. This is crazy. What are these? Oh my gosh. Hi Barbie dolls. I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing quarantine Barbie cooking. Yay! Oh my gosh. Today I did something really awesome. It's definitely one of my best Barbie cooking ever. So let me share this. I'm super careful. Ta-da! I made Chelsea cake. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I really did this. Remember Mattel sent me Chelsea color reveal the other day, like this girl. So today I tried making Chelsea cakes. You've seen Barbie cake before, right? Yeah, but I've never seen Chelsea cake. I've never tried making Chelsea cake either. Please watch how I made first and then I'm gonna eating. Let's start. Okay, so let's start. I use this, the one I often use, the super moist strawberry cake mix. It's already pink, but I might add a little bit more food color to make it brighter pink. Cake mix, half cup of vegetable oil, and eggs. I use electric mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes. Alright, okay, now I need to put this cake batter into baking cup. Gonna bake the 12 minutes first with 350 degrees. Oh my gosh, something is wrong with my oven today. So weird. Oh my gosh, it's totally burning, like crazy burning. Weird, really weird. It never happened before. What's happened? Oh my gosh. Huh. Really weird. Well, it's okay. I'm gonna cut the top. It got burned like crazy. What's wrong with my oven? I think that's broken. Totally broken. Huh. Think I need to cut the top part. It never happened before. And it's not even cooked. I have to put it back, but... Oh my gosh. I've never felt like this before. This is crazy. What are these? Oh my gosh. I don't know what happened today. I think my oven is breaking. Maybe temperature? Yeah, I feel like that. I feel something like that. It's so weird. Oh my gosh. But you know what? The bottom part is still fine, I guess. So I'm gonna just cut off that top part. But I'm just worried about maybe it gets too small. Yeah, I'm a little bit worried. Okay, so it looks like I failed with bacon today. But not giving up. I will still try to use this. Okay, yeah, looks fine. Just need to cut the bottom part, the burned part. So annoying. The burned part, don't eat it. It's not good for you, don't eat it. Even when you think you are failing, you can always find a way to make the things work, you know, just like I'm doing today. And now I have a round one, whole one. For this, I want to cut out with the round Barbie tray. Isn't it cute? I know I have everything with Barbie. Yay! It looks good, looks good. We don't need this part. Am I good? I'm pretty good. Okay, I can eat it. I can eat this later. Looks good. Whipped cream or something and I will eat it. Ah! Let's cut out. It's not deep enough. I noticed I have the perfect thing. The cake server from Barbie plate. It's good, it's good. So now I have little round one. So I want to put this like this. I know I have 5 Chelsea, but I can only cut out 4. Looks pretty good. And don't waste these leftover because we can always use for like a parfait or something. So please do not waste these. Or you can just eat it if you want. Alright, so here I have color reveal Chelsea dolls. I have 5 of them. But today I can only make 4 cakes. I need to pick 4 girls. So hard because everyone is pretty. Because I'm making some pinkish color. So sorry the blonde girl, but she has blue hair, so I'm not using her this time. But I'm gonna use these 4 girls. Sorry, it doesn't mean I don't like you. Don't get me wrong. I still love you, Chelsea, okay? So let's prepare. Need to take their shoes off and also take the skirt off. And use food wrap and then wrap her bottom part. Like this. And their hair will bother the cake, but I still want to keep this hair, you know, otherwise they're all gonna have short hair, very short hair. So I think I'm gonna make some bun. Like this is fine. Yeah, and it won't touch to your cake. So I think this hairstyle is fine. Kind of weird hairstyle, but this is the best thing I could do. Little crooked, but it's fine. Okay, cute. How about using this little one for each? So I can easily decorate. Oh my gosh, this is a brilliant idea. So So I'm using this small size Jonathan Atler Barbie plate. Feel like I'm genius. I'm so excited right now. Four, the base. Sorry guys, but I just noticed this video is getting really long. So I think I'm gonna make into 2 separated episodes. So let me go for now, and please look forward to next episode coming up. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.